Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find lock screen and security. As you can see, it should be on this third section with device options. So let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to find the device administration, and at the very bottom of it, so the second position, are the unknown sources. And all we have to do right now is to simply tap on this switcher to allow them to install something. As you can see, we've got also the information, the warning actually, that some third-party apps from which your device will allow installation are not verified by the developer, so you may put the data in your device or your whole device actually at risk. So remember about that, you're doing it on your own responsibility. So let's tap on OK if you are ready, and as you can see, since this switcher looks like it means that this option is active, so your device will allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Of course, if you want to, you can turn off this permission whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.